Welcome to the Retro Roadshow at the Bay Area Maker Faire 2023. We are putting on a special exhibition tracking Nintendo's iconic Mario character through 4 decades of console development to introduce gamers and visitors alike to the history of video game development and design. Beginning over here in 1977 with the Atari 2600 playing Donkey Kong, in which Mario must battle the iconic gorilla to save the princess. Coming down the line, we have the Atari 7800 Pro system playing Mario Brothers. Note that that's not Super Mario Brothers. This is the pre-Mario Bros game that most folks might have missed unless they played it in an arcade. Down here, we have the classic original Nintendo Entertainment System, or NES, playing Super Mario Bros. 3, a fantastic and expansive game in the Mushroom Kingdom. Next door, we have the Nintendo 64, in which we're featuring Mario 64, Mario's first excursion into 3D worlds. And next to the N64, we have the mighty Silicon Graphics Indigo 2 workstation, featuring many of the same demo applications that were used by Nintendo to develop the Nintendo 64 and Mario 64. So we can give an insight into the development of these games as well as how to play them. Over here, we have Nintendo's Virtual Boy, an actual working Virtual Boy, so visitors can experience the 3D worlds of Virtual Boy and also the brain-splitting migraines of Virtual Boy. We're pulling that out on request. Next door, we have a GameCube set up for 4-player mayhem in Mario Kart Double Dash, Mario's 128-bit racing game. And then finally, we're rounding off with 2 fantastic Super Nintendo systems. Here we have the Super Nintendo Junior, or SNES Mini, playing Mario Kart. And next door we have the classic original style Super Nintendo, which is playing Super Mario All-Stars. So you can see how the 8-bit Mario games were up-resolutioned and upscaled into 16 bits. So that is the Retro Roadshow at Maker Faire 2023 here in the Bay Area. We'd love to see you all. Come on down, it's going to be a blast.